Hello viewers, welcome to Zimmel Education System. In this video we will discuss pronoun and its types. Pronoun. A pronoun is used instead of a noun. Pronouns can be used in singular and plural forms. The verb used in the sentence should be used in accordance with the particular form of the pronoun used. Kinds of pronoun. First person singular. I, me. First person plural. We, us. Second person singular. You, your. Second person plural. You. Third person singular. He, she, it, him, her. Third person plural. They, them, their. Examples of pronoun. For noun Ali, its pronoun will be he, his, him. For noun car or other thing, its pronoun will be it. For noun Ali and Ahmad or other plural names, the pronoun will be they, their, them. Examples in sentences. Ali is my friend. He is a good boy. Here he is the pronoun for Ali. They are good players. She is a writer. In these two sentences, they and she are used as pronoun for someone names. Types of pronoun. Types of pronoun are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Number 1. Personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a short word we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person. Each of the English personal pronouns shows us the grammatical person, gender, number, and case of the noun it replaces. Examples of personal pronoun are I, you, he, she, we, they, him, her, us, them. Uses of personal pronoun in sentences. I love to play cricket. They play football. She writes a letter. It works on battery. Number 2. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that are used to show possession or an ownership of a noun over another. Examples of possessive pronoun. My, mine, your, his, her, their, its, our. Uses in sentences. My book is new. Your pen is there. Her bag is beautiful. Their office is far away. Its color is looking good. Number 3. Reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronouns is pronoun that are used to refer back to the subject in the sentence. In reflexive pronouns, work is performed on pronoun itself. Examples of reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, oneself, itself, ourselves, themselves and yourselves. Uses in sentences. I completed the work myself. She cooked the meal. They practiced themselves. Number 4. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that are used to express a mutual relationship. In this, more than one noun or pronoun are involved. Some examples of reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Uses of reciprocal pronoun in sentences. Zimmel and Hasher helped each other. The students talked to one another. The two cars hit each other. We all helped one another. Number 5. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun are pronouns that are used to relate one part of the sentence to another. Some examples of relative pronouns are that, which, where, when, why, what, whom and whose. Uses of relative pronoun in sentences. I talked to a girl whose bag was lost. This is the car which belongs to her. I met a boy who was your brother. Number 6. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that are used to point to specific people or thing. Some examples of demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these and those. Uses of demonstrative pronoun in sentences. This table is broken. That car is expensive. These books are mine. Those birds are flying west. Number 7. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used to ask questions. Some examples of interrogative pronouns are who, what, when, why and where. Uses of interrogative pronoun in sentences. To whom were you talking? Which is your favorite car? What do you have? Whose car is this? Number 8. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to any particular person, place or thing. Or, it refers to an unspecified person, thing or place. Examples of indefinite pronoun are someone, somebody, somewhere, something, anyone, anybody, anywhere, anything, no one, nobody, nowhere, everyone, everybody, everywhere, everything, each, none, few, and many. Uses of indefinite pronoun in sentences. Everyone loves this game. There is nothing in my bag. Someone is knocking at my door. Is anybody in the house? If you like the video, please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon. Also comment if you want to ask a question.